Vitor, and I am Capoeira Angola instructor on the Gold Coast. And Capoeira basically started in the 1500 when the African slaves were brought to Brazil to work in the sugarcane plantations and the coffee farms, and to keep their traditions, their religious practices, and to be fit, ready to escape from the cages where they are kept uh, inside the farms. They developed this style of non-violent martial art to prepare the bodies for a situation where they can escape to the jungle and be free. Today we have basically two styles that are called capoeira regional. The regional comes from regional Brazilian fight that was created by Mestre Bimba. And when this first style of capoeira was defined, I mean defined is because Bimba created a methodology to teach capoeira in universities and schools. Let's do first and then we try. You and let's go. So the eldest masters that used to play capoeira in the streets, they decided to gather and choose one person to preserve the traditions of the old style of capoeira. So this master, the chosen master, was Mestre Pastinha, and he's the most responsible for keeping the tradition of capoeira and to preserve the capoeira as the closest way that was practiced at the colonial times. And this style is called capoeira Angola.